How to make a Paracord Bracelet Starlight Express. Very wide, yet very beautiful and elegant Paracord bracelet. Enjoy and have fun. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982 YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. For today's project we're going to use this black paracord and also the gold paracord 550, Paracord Buckles and the JIG. The credit for design of this bracelet goes to Brian Eric Caja or Caja, I hope I pronounced it well. I will leave down below in the description box of this video the credit for him, and also there you can find the tutorial for this awesome paracord bracelets I'm wearing today. And if you check the information cards in the top right corner, you can find them there as well. So check the information cards and the description box down below. So that being said, we're gonna start. I'm gonna take first the gold paracord and pull it by the ends like so to find the center. Now we're gonna insert our paracord into the buckle from the top side, and then we're gonna pull through the cords through the loop here. Tie it up and then return it from the each side, and we're gonna insert the strands from the back through the buckle, pull it through, and then through the loop here. We're gonna do the same on the left side. So take the left end and pass him from the back through the buckle, now from here we're gonna insert our black paracord into the gold base. So here into this loop here, so now we're gonna take our black paracord and we're gonna pull it by the ends, so we'll have the even strands from the each side. So take the ends of a black paracord and pull them together. So here we have the even strands of a black. Now we're gonna pass to the other side of a buckle. From here we're gonna take our gold cords and we're gonna pass them through the middle, like so, and to the side. Now we're gonna take the black paracord and we're gonna place it on top of those two cord strands, like so, and with the gold we're gonna place it on top of the black, through the middle, and then around and from the back side through this loop. Tie it well. So we're gonna take our left black and we're gonna place it on the left side core strands, like so. And now with the gold on top of the black, from the top through the middle, then around through the back, and from the back through the loop on the left side, this black loop. Now we're gonna pull it to make it tight. And as you can see, we have the two exact shapes or knots on the both sides. Now we're gonna proceed. Here, as you can see, we have the left black and the right side black. So we're gonna place the gold on top of the bracelet core from the right side, and then the black on top of the gold cord, through the middle, around, and from the back through the gold loop on the right side. Tie this well and return it once more. So the gold cord on top of the core strands and the black one on top of the gold, around, from the back, and from the back through the loop, and pull it. Tie it once more, and again the black on top of the core strands and the gold on top of the black, around, from the back through the loop, and tie it. Now we're gonna do the same on the left side. So we're gonna take the gold, place it on top of the two core strands, then the black on top of the gold, around, and from the back through the loop on the left side. So from the beginning, as you can see, we started with the black paracord on top of the core strands and we tie it. Then we're gonna make the gold on top of the core strands and we're gonna tie it. Now we're gonna take again the gold and place it on top of the core strands, black on top of the gold, around, from the back through the gold loop, and we're gonna tie it. And we're gonna finish with the black on top of the core strands, the gold on top of the black, around and from the back through the loop, and tie it. So basically, as you can see, the pattern is one black, then two golds, and on the end one black on the core strands. And now we're gonna cross our cords, the gold cords, like so, and we're gonna repeat the pattern once more. So first we're gonna pull we're gonna place the black on top of the core strands on the right side here, so black on top of the core strands. Now because we crossed our gold cords, this end here is our right strand now of the gold, and we're gonna place it on top of the black, pass it under the core strands, and then from the back we're gonna came through the loop on the right side, and we're gonna tie it. And by finishing this, we started with the first knot, so we have the first black on top of the core strands. Now we're gonna do the two passes with the gold. So first place the gold on top of the core strands, then the black on top of the gold, around, from the back through the gold loop on the right side, tie it, and we're gonna return it with the gold once more. So the gold cord on top of the core strands, the black on top of the gold, around, from the back through the gold loop and to the side. And we're gonna finish with the black. So the black on top of the core strands, gold on black, around, through the loop, and tie it. Now we're gonna repeat the pattern, we're gonna repeat the pattern on the left side. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon.